Namaskar and welcome to Republic Haryana. I am Bhaskar Mukherjee with latest news headlines.
The Delhi police have claimed to arrest international wrestler Sushil Kumar from Delhi area and was brought back to police station. The court had already rejected his bail plea and ordered lookout notice against Sushil Kumar, who was wanted under murder charges of another wrestler. In view of the increasing cases of black fungus, the administration of Rohtak PGIMS has reserved 2 wards, 8 and 11, for the patients of black fungus and constituted a committee of medical experts to manage the dedicated wards. As many as 11 suspected black fungus cases have been reported at the General Hospital in the past 2 days. A special committee of doctors formed by Civil Surgeon Dr. Jitendra Kadian has referred these patients to Bhagat Phul Singh Medical College, Kanpur. As many as 18 patients were examined on Saturday. The health department in Kurukshetra has started screening saints who stayed around Brahm Sarovar and Snanhit Sarovar in Kurukshetra for COVID. As per the information available on the direction of Thanesar MLA Subhash Sudha, the health department has deployed a mobile van for testing outside Brahma Sarovar. As many as 186 such people have been tested over the past 2 days. The rapid antigen test of all the people came out negative. The Congress MLA from Dabawali Assembly segment in Sirsa district, Amit Sihag, has said that the shortage of trained health professionals require immediately to redress by recruiting health workers on a temporary basis. Sihag said he talked to Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar on telephone and sought to increase the workforce as the existing staff was also facing fatigue due to workload. Former IPS officer and Director General of Police Baljit Singh Sandhu on Saturday contributed Rs 2.1 lakh to the Haryana Police Welfare Fund for providing necessary protections to frontline workers fighting COVID. Saluting the spirit of police personnel, Sandhu said that in these hard times of the pandemic, Haryana police personnel are putting their lives at risk to provide 24-hour services to the people. In a shocking incident, a 5-year-old boy, Yogi, was mauled to death by stray dogs near Nalwa Colony on the Risula Road in Panipat district. The victim was the son of Satpal Prajapati, a laborer living in the colony. Satpal Prajapati said his wife Manisha was sick and he took her to the doctors in the morning. When they returned home in the afternoon, they did not find Yogi at home. They started searching for him and got information that the child had been mauled to death by stray dogs on the outskirts of the colony. COVID cases in Haryana is sharply falling and Haryana on Saturday reported 98 coronavirus deaths as 5,021 fresh cases pushed the state's infection count to 7,33,628. A health department bulletin said the infection has killed 7,415 people till now in the state. The Health Minister of Haryana has announced that now Umang Center will be soon part of government hospitals in Haryana. While talking with media persons, Health and Home Minister Anil Vij said that these centers will be beneficial for the post-COVID patients. He said that the health department research suggested us that people do face problem even after recovering from COVID, and these centers will take care of such post-COVID patients. The Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, which is spearheading the farmers' movement against the 3 Center Farm laws, on Friday wrote a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for resuming the dialogue with them. Notably, thousands of farmers are protesting at the Singhu, Tikri and Gazipur borders seeking the repeal of 3 farm laws and legal guarantee for the MSP since November 26 last year. Sirsa-based Dera Sacha Sauda chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, who is undergoing imprisonment at Suneria prison in Rohtak district was taken to meet his mother at some undisclosed location in Gurugram under tight security on Friday. The Dera head, who was convicted and sentenced to jail for the rape of two of his women disciples and murder of journalist Ramchandra Chhatrapati, was granted emergency parole to visit his ailing mother. After 10 villages in Hisar and Jeen districts defied lockdown restrictions, traders and shopkeepers in Hisar town have urged the district authorities to allow reopening of shops for a limited duration. Ajay Saini, president of Rajguru Market Association, said shopkeepers had incurred heavy losses because of prolonged lockdown. There are nearly 4,000 shops in the market. Because of the lockdown, traders are incurring a daily loss of rupees 10 to 12 crore. He further said that the association requests the state government to allow reopening of shops from 10 am to 5 pm. Shopkeepers will ensure that buyers wear masks and maintain social distancing. On the 30th death anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, the local unit of the Congress on Friday opened a kitchen that will provide free food to home isolated COVID patients and the attendants of those admitted in various hospitals in the Gurugram city. It was inaugurated by State Congress in charge Vivek Bansal and senior party leader Captain Ajay Yadav. The party also decided to distribute masks in villages and carry out sanitization exercise. The Sonipat police intercepted a vehicle carrying 5,520 bottles of illicit Indian-made foreign liquor near Rai on the National Highway 44 in the wee hours on Monday. The vehicle was bound for Arunachal Pradesh from Chandigarh. The Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal, said that under the scheme of Mera Gaon Jagmag Gaon Yojana, now 5,287 villages will get 24-hour electricity. Now the government have added more 17 villages in the list. Notably, there are total 6,848 villages in Haryana.
That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe Republic Haryana. I am Bhaskar Mukherjee. Namaskar.